Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a quote and proposal generation UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create this sleek and professional component that you see on the screen. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a basic container for our component. We'll use a div with a white background, padding, and margin to ensure it doesn't stick to the edges. Next, we'll add a shadow to give our component a lifted appearance. This is done using the shadow-lg class. To make the edges of our component smooth, we'll apply the rounded lg class. Let's set the text color to gray using the text gray 700 class for a subtle and professional look. We'll make the text bold by adding the font-semibold class. To lay out our component's content, we'll use the grid class, which allows us to easily arrange items in a grid format. Let's add a heading for our component using an h1 tag with the text-xl class to make it stand out. We'll start adding items to our component. Here's the first item, wrapped in a div with a border and padding for separation. Let's add another item to our component. Each item is styled similarly for consistency. We'll add a third item to complete our list. Notice how the grid layout keeps everything aligned neatly. To make our component more visually appealing, let's add an image using the placehold.coapi. This image serves as a placeholder. Finally, let's add a button for generating the quote. This button is styled with a blue background and rounded corners. Let's add another button for generating proposals. This button is styled similarly but with a green background. To wrap up our component, we'll add a footer with a thank you message. This provides a nice finishing touch. And there you have it. We've successfully built a quote and proposal generation UI component using Tailwind CSS. We've covered how to structure the component, style it with Tailwind classes, and ensure it's both functional and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!